Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you edited your design in Canva and now want to go back to an older version, do not panic. I will show you how to access your design. But before we begin, you need to know something important. The full version history feature is available only for Canva Pro or paid users. If you are using the free version, you may not see complete version restore options. Now let me show you how it works. First, open Canva and open the design you want to check. At the top left, click on File. From the drop-down menu, click on Version History. A panel will open on the right side showing different saved versions of your design. Each version includes the date and time it was edited. Click on any previous version to preview it. You can compare it with your current design. If you want to go back to that version, click Restore this version. Your design will now return to that earlier state. If you do not see the version history option, make sure your design is saved and that you are using Canva Pro. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more real Canva troubleshooting tutorials.